YouTube, J-Man #1 over here, and I told you today is the day I have my baby. Alright, she mailed me something. She said, "Hi, Dad."
Bro, this person wants my stuff, man.
I'm on my way. Okay, you guys are all into Bonnie's den?
No, we're still in this person's den. We're about to go to somebody's den. I got to be all on video. Tell them go to.
I said not now, emergency. Ah, stop hopping! No. Stop hopping!
I'm about to complain. I'm about to complain that they needed to say born.
Not now, video. Oh, I said, come on, let's go. Oh. Well, guys, it's the day, it's the day, it's the day, yeah, yeah, you better come. Oh, come on! Who is he talking to? No, she's mine, no. I like her.
Okay, I'm gonna say y'all on video again.
Okay.
Y'all on video.
Bruh!
What happened?
Someone left her den. She locked her den. She locked us out.
No, she changed it.
She just changed it.
Jeez, I was in the middle of feedback.
Alright, guys, so
49.
Duchess, she said, "Hi, Mom. I will deliver." Can I say it?
wrong?
Yes, I will be delivering the baby.
Good.
I said I will be delivering the baby.
Alright. Wait, where'd you guys go?
Into Bonnie's den.
Oh yes, oh
I
yes.
said I will be delivering the baby. She said, "Okay." She said she should be a bunny or a wolf. Bunny, you will grow into.
I said
I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait over here. Okay, guys. Just gonna wait over here and wait for my baby to be born.
I will tell you when you can come in.
Alright.
She's a bunny now. Please don't put any bloodstains on, because that will just make it look really disgustingly weird. Okay, so she's being delivered.
You know what? I might change my color. Well, I'm here doing nothing. I think I might go with a little bit of green and blue. By the way, I'm doing the colors of the spiked wristband. My spiked wristband. You don't see it right now, but right there, my spiked wristband. Let's put it on.
just come
And then, yeah.
She said, "Okay." Lie down.
There we go.
There she goes. She lied down.
And I might howl at this moon.
And push. I can't believe I gotta say. I can say that.
And let me say it. Breathe and push.
It lets you say those stuff, but it doesn't let you say born.
She said, "Okay."
I really don't understand it. If it lets you say claw his eyes out, And why does it let you? Why doesn't it let you say bored? Really?
Okay, baby comes out. It's a girl. She just ruined it.
What?
Joanna! I'm delivering a baby right now, Joanna. Hey.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
delivering a baby. Baby comes out.
I'm just gonna hide the moon.
Wait, where's the other twin?
Twin will come later.
Dang, she might mess up the sound of my video.
Doing some exercises. And 1 and 2. Adrian.
What?
I mean, Blue Whale, get over here.
Hold on. I got it now. Okay.
You can't see this. Oh, okay. Is it done? Okay, I'm coming.
Her name is Fuzzy. She's my baby too.
Wait. King only.
See, look at your new baby. Your baby just dreamed of you. Hey, I said only king. What?
Only king. Guys, only king.
King only though. How is? I said only king. Get out!
By the way, guys, my daughter's nickname is Little Young Savage because we had a
You must
war.
wait outside.
Because we had a war with Blue Whale. So, and she said that she wanted to claw his eye out. She was, oh my gosh.
Oh, you might have to unbuddy Adrian and his girl for a second. But he'll buddy you back because you gotta lock your thing. Wait, no, don't unbuddy me. Then leave. I told him they must get out. Me too? Yeah. You must wait out. You must wait outside. But why, Jared? I know you want to see Mythical. But
Little Young Savage.
I said get out. Man, this is so happy. I'm so happy for him. As you can see, we are both recording at the same time. Okay, she's not. But yeah, this is a baby. She just gave birth, man. She just. Hold on. Please.
She put a little smile. I'm gonna put a big smile.
She just gave birth. No, the baby left. The baby left.
I learned to walk already.
Oh, come on. Now Rosie Jazzy just came in. Get out. Adrian, get out.
Why is she in here?
I wish you could put the face like. Okay.
Rosie, get out.
They're out. No, she doesn't have to get out. Please wait outside. Please wait out here. Please wait out here. I would get permission from the mom and dad.
Thank you. Jeez. A little young savage.
I will get permission. For you to come in. Okay. I'm gonna say may the guests come in.
I'm not a guest to go.
Don't care. You're not the husband.
A little young savage.
I said may the guests come in. No!
Yeah, so she already barged in here.
Fuzzy!
Okay, you have permission. You can come in now.
But be careful.
Say that. How long have you been recording for?
10 minutes now.
10 minutes and 53 for me. With my little young savage. They thought I was a savage. You need me. It's so adorably cute.
Oh my god, it's a left. Oh, okay. I'm protecting my baby.
But yeah, if you want to buddy any of us, my name's Sylveon. J-Man #1 is J-Mo Better. Mythical is Savani49. And the baby, or young savage, is Paris. Parsu29. 3 O's. OPQ RST UVW and XYZ
SJS
Savani
Spidge. No, Sapj.
Oh yeah. Wait, what happened to me? Okay, now she will go. Let me check. I gotta give the baby the checkup. Okay.
And also, guys, be mindful to be generous, because it takes a long time for you to trade to get a hero tail cape. But look at me, I got a hero tail cape, and
okay, I have to give.
I got it. The person said be fair, and I just traded them a green spike, which I thought nobody would even want. In two parts of a royal set, and they still said sure. That's called being generous. So please be mindful to be generous online. Those who have less things,
you need to go out the way. I gotta check the baby's heart.
So people who have less stuff than you, don't be so stuck up. And just give it a little bit of something that you really don't want, but is valuable.
She is healthy.
Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know that.
She is healthy.
I have a healthy young savage.
And kinda small. She's getting healthy and kinda... Wait, where'd she go? Oh, she's walking already. And kinda small. But she...
Healthy young savage.
But she will grow. Where'd she go? Oh, I think she's hiding behind the couch again.
Yeah,
that
person.
Oh, she's laying down. Look at her. She's so... Alright, guys. 13 minutes.
I'm at 13:03.
I'm at 13:56. But yeah, I'll probably end this video at like 14 minutes. Alright, guys. So this brings us to the end of the video. I'm gonna say yeah. This brings us to the end of my video.
I said
this brings us to the end of my video.
See you later.
Bye. I'll see y'all later. Subscribe to me, don't forget.
Just so you know, guys, I'm still on. Looney Tunes just ended her video. I'm about to end mine in a couple seconds.
I mean,
alright.
You have 13. You can have 1 minute left.
I know.
Say the outro or something. So y'all were on. I'm gonna say, come on, y'all. You guys.
Okay, guys, that was my baby being born. The next one will be born soon. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video of that or not. So
you better stop it because it's at 4 minutes.
Bye. Goodbye.
And subscribe to both of us.
Yeah, thank you for the 7 subscribers. 8 subscribers.